Hello everyone. Look, today we are going to do a washing machine. So first we're going to write the title. My washing machine. My washing machine. In. Okay, my washing machine. Very good. Now it is time to take a paper. I've chosen a colorful paper, but it can be white or another color. Okay, it's like that, a rectangle, you see? It's a rectangle, and we're going to bend it. Okay, we're going to bend it like this. Perfect. And now we are going to glue it. Okay, we'll glue it over here. So we put some glue over here. We put some glue and we stick it like this. Okay, now it's perfect. You see? It's stuck over there. Now we have to put all the buttons for the washing machine. Okay, so we're going to make a big circle. That's it. Now we're going to make little circles. 1, 2, 3. A square. That's it. And another big circle. Perfect. All we need now is the door of the washing machine. So we're going to take something round to make the big round here. This is perfect. Okay, so I put this here and I make the round, the circle around it, you see? Like this. You see? Perfect. Now we need a smaller circle over here, okay? A smaller circle. So we take, for example, a glass and we make a smaller circle like this. That's it. Now we've got our washing machine, okay? That's it. All we need to put is the dirty clothes in the washing machine, okay? Let's have a look. I've got here a bag with dirty clothes. Oh my goodness, dirty clothes. Let's see. Over here we've got... What are these? What are these? Some trousers. So now, that's it. Trousers. We need to make them a little bit with a drawn, okay, with little pockets, and we can draw here the elastic band that they have. That's perfect. And a little bit here. That's better. That's more like it. The dirty trousers now need to go in the washing machine. So let's put them in there. In the washing machine. Fabulous. Now, what else have I got in my dirty clothes bag? Oh my goodness, what is this? What is this? It's a t-shirt. Whoa, it's a t-shirt. And the t-shirt is red and blue. Oh dear, the t-shirt is dirty. So let's shake it a little bit and we will come ready to put in the washing machine. Shake it, shake it, shake it. That's it. Now the t-shirt is perfect to put in the washing machine. Wonderful. Let's open it. That's it. We've got the trousers and the t-shirt, the yellow trousers and the red t-shirt in the washing machine. Let's see what else have I got in my bag. What else have I got in my bag? Let's have a look. What is this? My goodness, what is this? Oh, it looks like a dress. It's a dress, a beautiful dress. Okay, it's green with flowers. Let's shake it a little bit. That's it. Now I've got it. A beautiful dress, but it's dirty. It needs to go in the washing machine. Wonderful. Now it's time to turn it on. Let's turn it on. Wonderful. And it's time to put the clothes in the line. I hope you liked it. In the next video, we'll put the clothes in the line. Now it's your turn to put the dirty clothes inside your washing machine.